Hello my people, welcome again to GLAATORY. On my today's video I'll be showing you how I made this natural seasoning. This is very natural. You don't need your chicken powder with this one to cook your soup and even to cook any food of your choice. So this is all natural. Hope you'll get to try this. Please watch to the end and see how you can do yours. So you can see here, these are my ingredients. I'm using this dry fish, the dry croaker fish, and dry pepper, Ehuru, Aidan fruit, we call it Oshosho, Negro pepper, we call it Oda, and okpeyi, dawadawa, and Uziza seed. So I'll be toasting all my ingredients in order for it to release its aroma and the oil. So make sure you toast it before you start blending them together. As you can see, it's already releasing its oil. And the aroma is everywhere. You can see all set. So I'll be putting it back on the tray to allow it to cool off before I will blend it. So if you have your dry blender, that would be great, but if you don't have, find any blender that can blend it into powdery form. And make sure your fish is dry fish. So with this seasoning is like a game changer for your soup and for your cooking. Make sure you try it out. This is very easy to make and you will never regret doing so. Wow. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much. Thank you. I do appreciate always tagging along with me. Thank you. So you can see my natural seasoning is ready to be used. I hope you will try this recipe. This is very easy recipe for making your own seasoning. It came out so well. With this, you don't need your chicken powder. You don't need your cube or whatever. This is good to go. So I'll be storing it on this container. So remember to like my video. Please like it. Don't just watch and go. Watch, like it, comment, and please share. That's a way to encourage me on this journey. Make sure you like my video. Make sure you comment. And make sure you share so that others will get to see. Okay? Let's see. Already. Hope you get to try this recipe. This is another game changer for your cooking. You will never regret doing this. Okay? So now you can store it on your refrigerator or anywhere that is very dry to avoid mold. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.